Using money wisely is essential for financial security and achieving your financial goals. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to be smart with your money. Anybody can make money, but the one thing that distinguishes successful individuals is how they spend the money they've made. Sometimes most of us have financial problems that are caused by bad spending habits. Most people are financially illiterate and have no idea how to use money well. One important thing you need to understand is that money is a good servant but a bad master. It is essential to master and control your spending for your own benefit. Financial difficulties resulting from financial illiteracy can lead to stress, anxiety, and other mental health issues, further impacting one's ability to make sound financial decisions. That said, here are some tips on how individuals can use their money wisely. Number 1. Start by tracking your spending. Use tools or apps to track your spending. This helps you identify areas where you may be overspending and make adjustments accordingly. The first thing you need to do is know exactly where your money goes and where you can cut back. For you to diagnose a problem, you need to know exactly what you are dealing with. Then, you should create a budget. Start by creating a monthly budget that outlines your income and expenses. This will help you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back or save. Financially illiterate individuals may struggle to create and stick to a budget. Without a budget, it's challenging to manage expenses, save money, or pay off debt effectively, potentially leading to a cycle of overspending and financial stress. Then save regularly. A lot of people waste their money buying things they don't need. Saving can protect you during unexpected emergencies like losing a job or an unexpected disease breakout like the coronavirus pandemic. Make saving a habit by setting aside a portion of your income each month. Automate your savings if possible, so it happens automatically without you having to think about it. Financially illiterate individuals may not understand the importance of saving for emergencies or long-term goals. This lack of savings can leave them vulnerable to unexpected expenses and unable to invest in assets that could generate wealth over time. After that's done, you should set financial goals. Define clear financial goals, both short-term and long-term. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, or paying off debt, having goals gives you a purpose for your money. Financial illiteracy can hinder the ability to create a comprehensive financial plan that includes goals, retirement planning, and estate planning. Without a plan, individuals may not work toward achieving long-term financial security. To be able to use money wisely, you should consider having an emergency fund. Build an emergency fund that can cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund provides a financial cushion for unexpected expenses or emergencies, reducing the need to rely on credit cards or loans. Consider investing in assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, or retirement accounts to grow your wealth over time. Diversify your investments to spread risk and match your investments with your risk tolerance and goals. A lack of knowledge about investment options and strategies can lead to suboptimal investment decisions or even avoidance of investing altogether. This can result in missed opportunities for wealth accumulation. Use your money wisely to pay off high-interest debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts, such as credit card balances. High-interest debt can eat into your finances, so focus on eliminating it as quickly as possible. Be smart with your money by living below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation, which occurs when your spending increases with your income. Live below your means by keeping your expenses in check, even as your income rises. Use the money to invest. The more streams of income you generate, the more you can improve your standards of living. Negotiate when possible, whether it's your salary, utility bills, or purchases. Additionally, take advantage of cashback programs, rewards cards, and discounts to maximize savings. When making purchases, compare prices and look for deals and discounts. Avoid impulse buying and consider whether an item is a want or a need before making a purchase. Give yourself time to think before making significant purchases. Impulse buying can lead to regret and financial strain. Be smart with your money by planning for retirement. Contribute to retirement accounts to ensure financial security in your later years. Consider taking advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans and matching contributions. Lastly, you should educate yourself. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance. There are many resources, books, courses, and websites that offer valuable information about managing money effectively. Financially illiterate individuals are more susceptible to predatory financial practices, such as high-interest payday loans or questionable investment schemes. These practices can lead to financial losses and further entrench poverty. Also, consider charitable giving as part of your financial plan. Giving back can be both rewarding and tax-efficient. It's even more shocking when people borrow money and end up wasting it, and many times leads them to be trapped under mountains of debt. The lack of understanding about interest rates and the consequences of carrying high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can result in ongoing interest payments that drain one's financial resources and keep them in debt. Also, not understanding the tax code can lead to missed opportunities for tax savings, such as deductions, credits, and tax-advantaged accounts like an IRA or a 401k. Lack of knowledge about financial products and services may result in individuals not taking advantage of resources like financial education programs, community services, or government assistance programs that could help them improve their financial situation. Financial literacy can also impact one's career. Individuals who do not understand negotiation, benefits, or retirement planning may miss out on opportunities for salary increases, promotions, and long-term financial growth. Financial illiteracy can have a significant impact on an individual's ability to build wealth and improve their financial well-being. Addressing financial illiteracy through education and resources can empower individuals to make informed decisions, break the cycle of financial instability, and work toward greater financial security and prosperity. Financial education and literacy programs play a crucial role in helping people make sound financial choices and break the cycle of poverty. The fact that you are watching this video shows that you are on the right path. Using money wisely is a combination of discipline, planning, and informed decision-making. It's about making choices that align with your financial goals and values while ensuring you're prepared for both expected and unexpected financial challenges. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button if you find this video helpful, and if you have any questions or suggestions, also leave them in the comments section below and tell me what video you'd like to see me do next. I'd love to hear from you. Goodbye.